What are you eating? What is this? Joe? Joe, what is this? Okay. What are you eating? What is this?
Apple.
Apple, that's right. Is it good? How do you eat it? Is it good? Yeah? Careful. Chew it all the way. Yum. Can you say yum? Yum, yum, yum. It's the stem. Can you say stem? Chew up. Chew it up.